Okay, so let me say this right from the jump. I've done, I think, 4 of these best New Balance sneakers that you can buy right now. I've done them in partnership with New Balance, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. But it doesn't feel like sponsored content. This is as organic as it gets. New Balance is one of my favorite footwear brands. I've been rocking them since the beginning of this channel. I've got 5 pairs here. They're literally the best 5 New Balance shoes that I've shown in a video together that I can think of. So good stuff in this video for sure. If you like the New Balance content, please hit that thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see how I style these or more photos and content and etc., make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm at Eddiewinkicks. With all that said, let's dive into it. Okay, let's start this off with a bang. The colorway on this one just screams spring. Check that out. Desert pink. Here's the deal. New Balance isn't afraid to release men's sneakers in pink colorways, and I absolutely love it. This isn't just a basic 574. This is the rugged edition. It's got a more rugged outsole, but the rest of it is a little bit more enhanced as well. These are going to be perfect on Easter. As soon as that warm weather hits for the spring, I'm breaking these out for sure. I'm so glad I was able to get a pair of these. Sizes are going. My size already sold out. I think 10.5 and under are still up for grabs. Any pair that you see me show here, I will link for you guys down in the description. You can go ahead and cop a pair. This one is affordable. It's 90 bucks. You won't find a shoe under $100 with suede this nice. They fit true to size. I love doing these videos because I get to show the range that New Balance has. I just showed you a $90 pair of 574s. That's pretty nice. So what do you think a $220 pair of made in England 991s looks like? For one, this box is really cool. I like how they show you what exactly you are getting. If you've never had a pair of made in England New Balance, they give you a little bit of information about the factory. I gotta say, it's very rare for 991s to make their way over to the States. Europe sees this model a lot more than we do, and I don't know why. Why is it that overseas, you know what, I'll save it. I'll save it. I got 2 points to cover with this shoe. I could do an entire video about this basic sneaker. Somehow, footwear brands fumble the color gray. And I know that sounds like what are you even talking about? I'm telling you, there are a lot of footwear brands that do not do gray very well. New Balance does it the best. Gray isn't just gray. There's a dark gray, there's a light gray, there's so many different shades of gray. This is a lighter version than what New Balance typically releases, but their range of gray, it's beautiful. But okay, that was way too much of a tangent. Listen, as far as quality goes, material goes, it's the best. This is the best. If you're a simple guy, if you like essentials, if you are willing to spend $200 on a pair of shoes and you're gonna treat them right and they're gonna last you a while and you don't have a crazy sneaker collection, you just want some essentials, right here, man, right here. They fit true to size. Okay, next up, we got 2 pairs, same model, 2 different colorways. I don't know why they're in 2 different boxes, but they are. I'll link these for you guys. And if you see your size and you're interested in this shoe, pull the trigger. They're going so fast. Where are we going first? Because the 991s I just showed you are a good everyday, very wearable shoe, so is this one. So let's stay in that same lane. These are less expensive though, like close to $100 less. We've got the 2002R Night Tide. So this is a good one. Nice suede material on here. The 2002R is extremely comfortable. It's one of the best new sneaker models that's on the market right now. Chances are you've seen this model by now, but if you haven't, man, go for it. I'm telling you, if this isn't your colorway, if this isn't loud enough or colorful enough for you, pick something else. There's a few other options that are out there right now. That little tan hit, I don't know why, but I think that's so cool. When you're wearing these and you're looking down at them, kind of that bird's eye view, it's a nice little touch. If this colorway is too subtle for you, which I don't think it is, but it's all about your opinion, chances are you'll like these. They have been restocking. So the link that I provide you guys down below, refresh it every day. Don't pay resell. But anyway, we've got the Incense 2002 R. If you're like me, the first place that you saw this shoe was a j.crew pre-order. I don't know what happened, but these were not exclusive to j.crew. The second set of laces they come with are purple, and I will be throwing these in there. These absolutely feel like a collab, but the fact that they're a GR makes it even better because they're somewhat easy to get. They fit true to size, toe box look, little sky blue hit right there. Most of these are gonna be good in the spring. All the colorful sneakers that I'm showing you, money in the spring. I haven't really touched on comfort much, but this shoe right here, clouds. Okay, last up, we got a pair of 574s, and these things have been selling like hotcakes. I bet most of you haven't even seen this shoe. These 574s, actually the 574-2, I don't know if any of you know that there's a second version of 574s out right now. This one, man, it is a treat. These really are a treat. They retail for 90 bucks, just like the 574 ones. There's a few differences, but not much. I don't know if it's because they just put better materials on here or if it's because the midsole has that little orange color hit, but forget all that. Look at this colorway. Look at this colorway. This is something that you would see that would be like an overseas exclusive, like a Japan exclusive, where there's this earth tone in this sage green brownish color, and then this orange and really vibrant French blue. Man, these are so good. This is one of the best 574s I've seen in a long time. These really are the kicker to this video. This is why these are some of the best New Balances I've shown you collectively in a video. The shape of these 574-2s is a little bit better. It's a little bit more aggressive on the toe box. The back of the heel area comes up a little bit more. And like I always say when I show you a pair of 574s, if you haven't gotten one yet, just throw one into your rotation. What do you got to lose? They're affordable, some are on sale, and I will link every single one of them for you down in the description. Do a little browsing. New Balance always has sales as well. You can get some deals. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please hit that thumbs up if you're enjoying the NB content. Subscribe if you're new around here. If you missed any of the recent videos I've put up, there's a lot of them, so go check them out. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.